Welcome to the vlog!
Hello!
We're on our way now to Emilia restaurant.
We're visiting our ancestral home. Si Lolo and Lola stayed there for about 40 years since 1970s. And we left the place around 2016-2017. So ngayon, it has been converted to a restaurant. And excited kami makita how the old house has been renovated and to try also Filipino food. Ay, hindi nakikita.
Ayan po, i-vlog mo na. Soft opening.
Wow!
Or house of my father-in-law. Every Sunday I am here to help hands, good food, enjoy, get together.
Dito dati kami tumatambay after mag-lunch. Yan yung since alfresco, nakaupo yung mga tao dito. Ayan. And this is normally where we'll have our family group photo because dyan lang kami kasya. Pagpasok, nandito yung main dining room namin dati. Yan. So, may malaking table dito. So, yan. Ito ang main dining room. And then, sala na yung nandyan. So, may malaking sala. Set at dyan din may TV. And, nandito yung room ng isang uncle ko na wala na ngayon. Pinakbak na nila. Then, may mahjong room dito for my ama. And may CR. Dito kami nakikiligo pag walang kuryente or tubig sa bahay because nasa Malacanan to at di sila nawawalan ng kuryente or tubig dito.
Okay, fond memories ko here were the lunches that we'd have here. Like for Christmas, the New Year's, like Chinese New Year.
After school, dito ako umuwi to see my mom. Then, nagsistay ako sa factory namin sa kabila until uwi yung mom ko. So, may mga chickens din dito. So, yan. May nakakalat na chickens, kalapati na alaga ng lolo ko. Masaya magtaguan dito nung bata ka kasi ang dami mong pwedeng taguan. And alam nyo bang meron ding underground room dito na parang mga panahon ng Espanyol na pwede mong ikulong yung mga tao doon nang walang nakakaalam. Itong part na to ngayon, dati wala naman to, open lang. So, napakalaki ng parking. So, but ngayon they converted it to an alfresco, which is good din during this pandemic na may ganito. Kasi, yun nga, hindi kami lumalabas. And kung nakita nyo, nandito na kami ng 11 o'clock para wala pang kahit sino, which is tama ang aming prediction. Kami lang ang dito. And
Okay.
kakain na kami. Looks good food pero meron ng mga dumukot, no? Parang bawas na. So yun, it's all Filipino food pero magdadagdag daw sila ng Spanish food come January, which is next week na pala.
Really good. This is my favorite. The kare-kare bagnip.
Okay.
This is also good. Bicol Express.
Okay.
Actually, everything is good.
Mine, everything that has pork in it. So, practically all of it masarap na.
Okay, which is yung hongba, yung kangkong na may pork,
Chicharon bulaklak.
sisig,
Yeah.
Yeah, chicharong bulaklak. Oo
Then
nga.
bagnet.
Sarap. I like here the hungba. Tsaka yung kare-kare. And yung kangkong din. Yummy. Good food. And it's not that expensive.
Previously, so many pigeon and bird. After the lunch, I would get some bread or rice to feed them. They are so friendly.
Dito tayo sa second floor. Hindi pa ready pero they let us in because nga sinabi namin kami yung dating owners dito. But it's well maintained. Ang ganda. Ganda ng ginawa nila. Dati, itong balcony, hindi na kami nakakalabas dito kasi sobrang dumi na. Ayan, but now, it's very nice. Nakita nyo sa likod, ito yung room ng lolo ko, room ng cousin ko, room ng auntie ko, room ng isang cousin ko dun sa likod. Dito sa area na to nakalagay yung mga trophies ng mga uncles ko and aunties ko and their toys. Yan, still under construction.
My favorite memories here is when we had our first Easter egg hunt as kids. We all lined up there and dressed similarly. And then, doon dati, merong stairs. So, we would use to climb the stairs going to the factory. Then, ganun kami maglaro.
May basketball court dito na maliit, half court. Tapos parking na yung kabilang side. Tuwa ka ba pumunta tayo dito?
Yes, of course.
Bakit?
Memories of yesterday, years with Uncle, Ama, Ahim, Aso.
It was certainly nice to come back here and do some reminiscing. We're glad that the house was restored and pwede pa rin namin balik-balikan. The food is also good and it's not that pricey per order, about 200 to 300 lang, but maybe it's a soft opening price. Ayun, definitely we'll come back and maybe with the rest of the clan so that we can continue to reminisce. Alright, see you guys. Bye bye.